How is everyone? I've got 2 boxes to open. 2 boxes. Look. Another one. Ooh. Have to wait for the second one. That's my details. Fiona Fernandez in Pyrmont. So I do a lot of things. I'm by Fear Handcrafts, and I make handmade products. I make handmade cards and sell them. And I also sell the Stampin Up products. So if you're interested in card making or scrapbooking, any sort of paper crafts, it's the way to go. Okay, let's pop that over there. I just got my boxes. So excited. Can't remember what's in this one. We're about to find out. Here we go. Box number 1. Lots of air packets. Grab all those out. Throw them over in the corner. What have we got in here? Remember what I ordered. Okay, oh, okay. So this is the Maritime Moments kit. Now, I don't want to open it yet because I might just put it on my table to sell. Be at the tram sheds on Sunday. Let me just find it on the website for you. Just get rid of a few things off my screen. Where are we? Put do not disturb on because we don't want to be disturbed right now. So it's called the Maritime. This is one of the newer ones. Hang on. Just got to get rid of my cookie thing. Maritime. Better spell it right, haven't I? Maritime. Okay, here we go. Maritime Moments kit. It looks like this. So it's got lots of little bits in there so you can script through the... That's what you get in the box. So all the kits collection come with everything you need to make the kits up. The cards that you see in the picture on the first page. And then this one's got a little stamp set as well. And it'll have a spot. So if I go back to the first page, you can see that we've stamped a stamp in there. I'm going to use the scissors to point. Here we go. Stamp in here. A little stamp here. This one's got the birds stamped. So everything else is in the box already. So it's a great way to make some cards without having to think too hard about it. They all come with full instructions. So that's that one. No, I don't take them out of the wrappers when I'm going to sell them on my stall, but I do print out the pictures to put on the front so you can see what's in them. What else have we got? Ooh. Oh, we've got a new punch. Look, 1 7/8. And that's a round circle punch, and it goes with something. Is it that one? Is it the Silly Safari one? Yeah, I think it is. So on the website, if you go into online exclusives, let's just go to online exclusives. Online exclusives, I think it's in there. Oh, I think it is. Let me see it in there. Let's see. Can't remember if it was exclusives or whether it's in the catalogue. Let's go. Sorry. So it's a bundle. And when you buy a bundle, you get 10% off if you bought them separately. So that's really a nice thing to know. So it includes, you can see that it includes the circle punch and the stamp set. If you bought them individually, you pay 10% more. So if you want both of them, it's a good way to get them a little bit cheaper. So that's the safari one. I loved it. So it was so cute. Look at that. And there are all the stamps that are in it. There's the punch. And then they give you some suggestions. I love that card. That's so beautiful. Of what you can do with it. And I just always like having the circle punches in my stash. So that's that one. So put that out there. And then I bought some more envelopes because I always need envelopes. Oh, that's right. We had a sale last week, remember? We got the two-tone cardstock. So I that's not good, and I haven't checked it over there on my computer either because I didn't have that open. I'll just cancel that. I just better check my audio, hadn't I? I usually do before I start, but I was just watching the screen today. Let me just get that open over there and go into my Facebook. See if I can find it quickly. See if it's working. I think I've got my sound on over there. Oh, yeah, there it is. I can hear me. Find it. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. Let's turn that off. I've got my sound on there. I've got to turn it off now. Oh, there we go. Okay, it is working. All right, where were we? Okay, so these ones have Blackberry Bliss, Cloud Cover, Daffodil Delight, Fresh Freesia, Pool Party and Strawberry Slush. And so these are two-tone cardstocks. And they were all on sale last week. So they're really good for... I'll get a piece over here that I've got open already. I open every packet today. This is the Cloud Cover one. So you can see on one side, I just fold it over on itself like this. One side's darker than the other side. And it's good for doing things where you want just that extra little bit of tone. If you tear it, it's got the white inside it as well. So it's good for that. And I just, yeah, they come in packs, mixed packs. You can buy them all, the colours individually as well. Just check the website. But I just bought these packs because I thought it was good. So this one matches the Turtley Sweet collection. And it's not focusing very well, is it? It's got the colours there for the Turtley Sweet collection. And the other one is the one that matches the Wildflower Celebrations collection. So that's got the beautiful pink. Sorry if it's being disrupted. I can't leave it on to listen to it, so otherwise we get too much echo. So that's my packets. Now I've got the other thing underneath there. That on the floor. Ooh, I decided. Who's into scrapbooking? Anybody into scrapbooking? I haven't been into scrapbooking in a big way. And I'll just check if there's any comments. I can't see any. Okay. And so I decided this week. A few things changed for me this week. I got a cold and I couldn't go and do the things I was planning to do. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to sign up for the scrapbook retreat that's on this week, Saturday, and in Australia. And it's international, so it's a global thing. So which means, because I'm in Australia, if I want to watch it live, I've got to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to give it a go. But I can watch the replays as well in the Facebook group they've started just for that. So this is my new scrapbooking retreat stuff. All right, let's get this out and have a look inside the packet. Oh, wow. I've got to go through it yet and sort it all, so I'm glad it arrived today. I only decided last Thursday to do it. Thursday's the day I got sick. And I thought, oh, I'm not going to be able to do things. So, and there's some of the team doing it as well. So it comes with all these. Oh, look, you've got stamp sets. So these are all in this little section here. Let's see what's in it. And once I put my pages together, oh, I've gone all blurry again. Oh, balls when I have them. I might not this time. But I'll have something, I think. So there's all the little stamp sets. Got lots of little pieces in there. Look at them all. Wow. So I've got 12 months worth of scrapbooking pages. So I think we do a double spread of each month. There's the little letters. That's cool. And we've got little, the little photo markers. We've got little flip-flaps and some bling. What have we got? Neutral matte dots. Lovely. So I'm going to sort them out later. Here, let's just have a look on here, because this will show us what the stamps are. So they even give us these so we can put our stamps in something later. Can't get it apart. Oh, look at that. That's all the different stamps. There's... We get the covers for the pages. So there's 12 of those. That's great. And that's fantastic, because then I can have the pages out for people to look at. What's in this one? Oh, now I won't be opening all these yet. They've got pre-cut pieces. So everything for this set, for this kit, I mean, it costs a bit of money, but it was well worth it, I thought, because everything's already pre-cut. There's January. Can you see that? And so you don't have to sort of go through and cut it all out. And all you got to do is put it into the right month. If you want to, put it wherever you like. They've got all these pre-cut circles. Let's see what else is in there. Now, there is a video online too, I think, with some of the Stampin' Up people. I shared it the other week, showing us all about the different pages that they've put together. So I've got no pages put together yet. I just have pieces like this. So I'm going to keep that one like that so I can stamp straight onto that. There's a couple of pages in there. What else have we got? I've done to my video over there. It's gone small on me. I don't know where it's gone to. What's going on over there? Never mind. Now look at this one. It's got, can you see that? I know it's got plastic on it, but see the lines? It's like a sunshine thing. Oh, there's a few different ones. Oh, they're the irresistible ones. Look, there's some irresistible stuff behind it. Cool. Oh, I'm going to be busy. There's all the cutout, some of the cutout pieces. So we've got all these different bits. So it says Project 1, so I know it's for that. Here we go, Project 2. You have to use your imagination right now. What they're going to look like. Or go and find that video and watch it later. Okay, Project 3. What's going on over there on my desk? Oh. Right. Project 4. It's a maybe it's I'm a video signal. Let's just see what's happening over there. Maybe I'll block the signal when I shut the door. Let's get the next one out, see if we can keep going. Project 7. Project 6. And we've got Project 8. All very elusive, isn't it? Wait to see what we end up with. Project 9. Project 10. And I've got the information off the website. What else we're going to need? Additional supplies. the things I already have, just the tools and the stamping blocks and the colours. And number 11. Alright, well, we're set. We're all set. Now I just have to work out what else goes with what. That should be fun. Put my project numbers back in the box. And yeah, watch this space. I'll share to make something as I like to. Okay, so that is called the Album Retreat, and people can still buy it. You probably won't get it before the weekend now, but you can still buy it and be eligible to go and watch all the replays. So that's what it looks like on the website, Virtual Album Retreat, and it pops up. Let me just find my phone again. It pops up on the website and scrolls across the top. So if you're going into the website, let's just go back to Stampin' Up. See the front page? It'll scroll across in a second. Hang on. There it is. Virtual Album Retreat. Just click on that and you can go in and read all about it. And there's the event details and how much it is and all the information. So if anyone else wants to join in down the track, let me know. Or just sign up yourself. You don't have to be a demonstrator. Anyone can do it. And yeah, have great fun with it. Okay, well, I'll be off and I'll catch you again tomorrow night. Ciao.